Have you ever wondered about the ancient practice of acupuncture, how it works, or what its benefits are? Originating in China over 2,000 years ago, acupuncture has long been a cornerstone of traditional Chinese medicine. Fast forward to today, and it's accepted and practiced worldwide, acknowledged by modern medicine for its unique benefits. But what exactly is acupuncture? How does it work? And what can it do for you? Stay tuned to unravel the mystery of acupuncture and its benefits. Now, let's delve into the fascinating process of acupuncture. Acupuncture, an age-old healing practice, might seem shrouded in mystery, but it's actually a fairly straightforward process. The first step is the consultation and diagnosis phase. This is where you meet with your certified acupuncturist to discuss your health concerns and goals. Your acupuncturist will ask you a series of questions about your health history, lifestyle, and symptoms. They will also take a close look at your tongue and feel your pulse on both wrists. This is not a random exercise, but rather, it's an integral part of the traditional Chinese medical examination. After the consultation, your acupuncturist will formulate a treatment plan tailored to your specific needs. This involves identifying the acupuncture points on your body that will be targeted. These points are found along meridians or energy channels that traverse the body. While there are hundreds of acupuncture points, only a few will be selected for each session. Now comes the part that might make you a bit nervous, the insertion of the needles. But worry not, these are not your regular sewing needles. Acupuncture needles are incredibly thin, about the thickness of a strand of hair. They are inserted gently into the skin at the selected points. Most people feel minimal discomfort, if any. In fact, many find the process quite relaxing. The needles are then left in place for around 20 to 30 minutes. During this time, you might feel a range of sensations, such as warmth or tingling. This is a positive sign that the treatment is working, as it indicates the flow of qi, or life energy, is being balanced. Finally, the needles are removed painlessly. You might feel a sense of relaxation or invigoration after the session, depending on your body's response. Emphasizing the importance of a certified practitioner cannot be overstated. Acupuncture is a safe practice when performed by a trained professional. They have the knowledge and expertise to ensure the needles are inserted correctly and safely. With the right practitioner, acupuncture can be a painless and effective treatment. You might be wondering, what are the benefits of undergoing such a procedure? Well, let's dive right in. Acupuncture, a practice rooted in ancient Eastern medicine, has a myriad of benefits. Firstly, it can help alleviate chronic pain. Whether it's a nagging backache or persistent headaches, acupuncture targets specific points in the body, promoting natural pain relief. Secondly, it's a fantastic stress buster. In our fast-paced world, stress is ubiquitous. Acupuncture helps to balance the body's natural energy, reducing stress and promoting relaxation. Thirdly, if you're struggling with sleep issues, acupuncture might be your saving grace. It's been found to improve sleep quality, helping those with insomnia get a good night's rest. Lastly, acupuncture enhances overall well-being. It aids digestion, boosts immunity, and can even improve mood. And these aren't just anecdotal claims, they're backed by scientific studies. Acupuncture, when performed correctly, can be a powerful tool for health and wellness. Intrigued by the world of acupuncture? It's a fascinating journey to embark upon. Consider acupuncture as a complementary approach to your health and wellness journey. But remember, always consult with your healthcare provider before starting any new treatment. Knowledge is power, and your health is your greatest asset. If you enjoyed learning about acupuncture, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness content. Remember, your health is your wealth.